By now, you've probably heard that Replit AI can now make mobile apps, iPhone, Android, mobile apps, actual mobile apps. And I started playing around with it yesterday, but there was something about this new feature that really caught my attention. A couple of weeks ago, I made a video about ChatGPT Canvas and how this tool wasn't being designed for developers or even no coders in mind. But this tool was being designed for the everyday user to be able to create the apps that they need on the go. So not for developers, not for you and I. And today I'm even more certain that that is the direction we're going in. Just take a look at this video from Replit.
You always wondered why that app didn't exist. Now you can make it. Meet Replit Agent. Want a custom workout plan? Make an app for that. Have a great idea at 2 a.m.? Make an app for that. Need to run an analysis? Or learn with your kids? Make an app for that too. This isn't just making apps. This is your imagination unleashed. Describe what you want and watch it come to life. No coding experience, right from your phone. Made an awesome app? Share it with a friend. Have a business idea? Start in minutes. Everything you need is in your hands. Now is the perfect time. Create something amazing. What will you make today? Try it free at replit.com.
Honestly, that is as general consumer as it gets. So I'm certain where this market is going now. But with that being said, I do still think that we are a while away from that. I'm not sure how long, but this is still the tool for developers. It's mostly developers using this. I had a look through the feed on Twitter or X, and it's all developers really excited, geeking out about the things that they are building or plan on building, just as we are with all of these tools. But I do think it's only a matter of time. All of that aside, here's the video of me going through Replit, testing it out, using the prompts, all of that jazz, and building my first mobile app. It's in the process of building. I wasn't going to record it, but this is what I did. I took my basic prompt, which was this. I uploaded my AI prompt engineering for web development document, and I just said, use this guide to write a project overview and roadmap for this. It's supposed to say idea, and it did it 14 seconds in ChatGPT 03 Mini, and it's given me the overview, key features, front end, back end, technical requirements, again, front end, back end development tasks, roadmap, everything all in the one prompt. So that is the power of ChatGPT 03 Mini, because that was it. And I didn't even go through it. I just took it and gave it to Replit as is. I pasted it in, and then Replit actually extracted the key features, and then it gave me options. So it says, what would you like to build first? And I just said, I want to build the initial prototype and then the real-time notification and updates, because that's a feature I've never built into any of my web apps. So this is my first time using Replit. I tried to use it the other day and it looked like it wanted me to sign up. So I think I may have went through a wrong channel. It's gone ahead and it's created the first stage of the app. Now, I don't know whether I was supposed to select something different to start to make a mobile app, because that's what I really wanted to test out. But it looks like it's been this screen certainly looks like it's designed for mobile. I guess it's going to be mobile responsive. Let me see. Oh, okay, I see. So it is, yeah, it did make a mobile app, because we've got selection of different mobile screens here. Let's try the iPhone 14 Pro Max Pixel 7. That's really cool. I like the Galaxy S8 look. It's not too narrow. Whoa, that phone. SE is very wide. XR, let me see, it's between the, let's go with the S8. Alright, so we've got an Android app here, got the register and the login screen, looks exactly the same. Don't think anything works just yet. Let's see what it wants me to do now. It says paused agent is waiting for your response. Kind of similar to Klein. Do I want to add a database now? Not really, because it's going to want me to attach to Superbase. So can we just try and build out the actual app before can I message it while it's waiting? Let me see. Can you try registering a new account and logging in? Not sure why that would work though. Register. Oh, okay. I see. So this is, put it back on that. So this is what it's looking like. We can set a new goal. Let's see, read more, deadline. Okay, let's see what happens when we create, okay, we must set a deadline, even though it says optional. Okay, so that doesn't work. Cool, that's fine. That's fine. What does it want me to do now? Can you try registering? Okay, registered and logged in successfully. Oh gosh. Can we work on the design of the app and follow the roadmap? Yeah, let me just check the roadmap. If you get a working version out quickly with essential features, create core screens for registration, goal setup and progress, visualization, add basic gamification elements. Okay, so we want to work on that. And then the back end, this is why it's trying to do the database, because in phase 1 of the MVP development is trying to do that. So I should have shifted that back. I should have said we'll do that at the very end, launch front end on Versal or Netlify. So it's really trying to get the MVP working immediately, but I would want to push that back and get more features done first. So I'm going to say skip this part of phase 1 and let's focus on the rest and then phase 2. Oh, what happened? Okay, that's looking much better. Kinda. Kinda. No, not really. But we are only 3 prompts in, so I'm not going to write it off just yet. We're 3 prompts in about 6 minutes. Let me say, let's skip this part of the roadmap for now and focus on design and features. I'm really interested to see what the process is like once you've got your working MVP. I mean, it connects to GitHub like everything else, but I'm interested to see the deploy, when I hit deploy and all the rest. It's not come up to any errors just yet, but look, it's taking into consideration my initial the information I gave it. So I said to make it gamified like Duolingo, and it's gone back to that reference, which is cool because I didn't have to tell it to. So I think it's making the alerts, congratulations, you've reached level 1, enhanced gamification elements to be more fun, similar to Duolingo's approach, will add better visual feedback, animations. Awesome. More rewarding experience. Unless I've not seen it, I've not come to any errors just yet. Ready to share. So it really wants me to deploy and we're nowhere near ready. And I don't understand the interface just yet. So we're on agent. I'm not sure what the credit system is like for a new user, but this is the active screen. So when you talk to it, it's editing. This is the chat. It says chat and quick edits. What did I do? Okay, can I just return? We've got console. Ah, I see. I like when the console, okay, we can just do that. It's fine. I'm just used to having the console at the bottom. It does take up quite a bit of the screen also. So web view, deployments, all tools. Oh, okay. Cool, quite a few different options here. Let me log in again. No, it's not going to let me set this goal. That's a shame. Let's tell it. Create a goal does not work. Can we actually see the code ourselves and go and edit stuff? Where do I code search? No. I'm pretty sure you can. There's no way it would show you all of this and then you can't go and edit your own code. Files. Ah, there we go. Let's just try this one more time and then I will come back to this another day. Let's see, read more day. Let me create the goal. Yes, okay. Is it gonna go away on its own? Complete. Nice. Oh, what was that? That's cool. First goal and This looks like a really fun, I think this would be really fun, especially for building mobile apps. Now, I know we can finesse our way into building mobile apps on Windsurf, and I am definitely big on trying to build any and everything in Windsurf, but this looks like it's going to be really, I'm going to have to learn this thing, but yeah, I'll have to learn this thing. But I need to check out their cost, their credit system, all of that stuff. And that's the problem with learning new IDEs, learning new tools, is they all have their different nuances. And one thing I was saying today is so many of these tools are coming out, but they are shiny objects essentially, and they keep coming out with new updates better than the other, which is awesome for us with decent price points. But then the focus needs to be on building the thing or things that we set out to build and not getting lost in these shiny objects. So they are all amazing. We can all do things that we couldn't do 5 months ago. But remember to stay on track and remember that some of these are indeed shiny objects. So build what you can, learn how to use the tools, most importantly, because what I'm starting to learn is that most of these skills are transferable. So once you can use one, you can pretty much use the other, as long as you're getting familiar with the constants. So GitHub and the frameworks, Vite, React, all of that stuff. As long as you're actually getting familiar with what's under the hood of these tools, then you should be fine. But whatever your goal is, just make sure you're focusing on that goal and not getting lost in these tools. But that's it, quick video. Just wanted to check Replit out. It's the only one of the more popular ones like Cursor, Windsurf that I've not actually tried. So I will give this some more time just so I can test it out, maybe save you some time as well. But that's it.